In this video, I'm going to show you how to download WordPress. You can just go to Google and type in download WordPress, and the search results, you just look for the site called wordpress.org/download. That's the site that you would want to go to, and just click on that and just look for the link here. It says download WordPress 3.5.2. Okay, so I get a little message below here saying that it has completed. And what you want to do after you download WordPress is look for that zip folder that you just downloaded, and you will want to right click on it and extract all. Okay, and this should just be pretty quick, so I'll just wait for it to complete. And there you go. So the zip folder has been extracted, and now I just have a regular folder for my WordPress files.